Alright, so I'm here at Walmart. I'm getting here at Walmart because paint art supplies can be a lot cheaper. So to get started, I have a canvas or has an image on it. What to do, what to do, what to do. So I have always painted with acrylics. Anytime I've created a painting, they've all been with acrylics. Because I like the fact that it's easier, and all I need is water and brushes and something to clean the brushes with. So, acrylic gesso. This is not only going to help cover the image that's already on the canvas, it's going to get a nice little texture that's going to be helpful. Alright, I'm going to get, now, the acrylic, the gesso is already white, but I want to get some titanium white. So titanium white is going to help really take away that image. Now, the gesso is probably going to do the job, but the titanium white is also to help kind of give some more nuance to where I want to get started. Gonna just grab one of these for now. And I know I want, let me check something out here. Medium. All right. So here I have a gloss medium. Now this will thin out. I guess I don't even know if that's really a good word. Mix in with the titanium white and create more. I want to keep on using the word nuances, shadows, hopefully. Get that. I want. All right. So, as far as I'm concerned, when looking at White Rabbit in the Snowstorm, there are shadows. Sometimes when I look at it, it looks like clouds just floating in the sky, and then it really depends on the way that the light hits it. So I want to get this gray to try to get some of those like shadowing that I'm talking about. Look at that. All right, and since I have not painted anything in such a long time, I need paintbrushes. Alrighty, and I'm looking for paintbrushes. All kinds of paintbrushes. I've used paintbrushes from Walmart before. I've never really had too much complaints about them. I want... Alright, so I'm gonna get this. This is $10. And it's got pretty much everything I'm gonna need to a certain degree. I like the fact that it's got this here. I try to point at it. The flat brush. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see. What else do I want? Palette knife. Alright, and I'm going to get a palette knife. I don't need a plastic palette. I don't need a mixing thing. Don't really need an apron. I can always just use a shirt I don't really care about. In fact, I've got a Pizza Planet shirt that I have always used for when I go swimming. So it's already bleached out. I can use that. All right, so that's the list for now. Until we meet again. All right, so I have all my supplies. I'm getting set up. I'm getting set up for this project. So I have. So when I was at the thrift store, I found this. It's Marvel. I love the fact that it's Marvel. It's got Hulk. It's got Spider-Man. It's retro, and I'm going to confess. No, this is not the same size as the actual White Rabbit in a snowstorm. I'm not really looking for exact size. I'm just looking for something that I liked how the size looked. So I looked up the measurements online. The best investigation in the world. I paid lots of money. No, actually I didn't. It's ChatGPT. And I just can say I don't really care whether this canvas is exactly the same size as the art in the Daredevil series. That again, I was just looking for something that I like the look of. I don't have any other words, so I chose this. Cost me $10. All right, so I have, and this is, try to show it to you. What's holding it is my French easel, which I bought quite a long time ago. Normally I use this easel when I'm doing live caricature gigs. I've not used it for anything else. Although sometimes you'll see artists use these to paint out in the wild because, you know, once you fold it up, you can carry it. It's not that too hard to carry. And, you know, they'll go out and they'll have the visual reference of trees and the mountains, whatever the house, farm they're looking at, and they'll paint what they see. All right, so that's this stage for now. And I'll come back when I have more to show you. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I've got another hack for you. Got another hack, another tip. All right, so I want to put something underneath the painting to catch any paint that may drop. There's carpet here. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really care much about the carpet in here, but at the same time, I don't want paint on the carpet. That's, you know. Anyway, so under no circumstances whatsoever should you find the need to go somewhere and buy a paint drop-off. Okay, you don't have to. You don't need to. This is all you need. I'm about ready to show you. Good old garbage bag, plastic, pair of scissors, and just cut it so that way it's going to be completely flat, and just spread it underneath where you're going to paint. Voila. You have a paint drop cloth for the price. Most likely you've already, you know, paid for the trash bag. Yeah, that's my next hack. But so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna put it underneath the painting and move forward. All right, I'm ready to go. Ready to go. I've got everything ready. I'm gonna keep on saying ready to go. Got my canvas ready to go. What used to be, it has marble on it now. But I'm gonna use all the paints I just got done putting together. I'm gonna use the drop cloth I fashioned. And the question at this point is, can I create White Rabbit in a snowstorm? I don't know. I don't know. Let's find out if I can, shall we? The question at this point is, how exactly did I do trying to recreating White Rabbit in a snowstorm? Well, you tell me. I didn't say what kind of White Rabbit. He's a White Rabbit. There's snow. It's a snowstorm. Now that you feel fully cheated, guess what? Time for another video.